Okay, Lynn, let's do letter E. Okay, now here, Lynn, tell the story about Anne, Sue, and Sue's mom. Okay, Lynn, could you tell me what happened in picture number 1? In picture 1,
English one. The girls is
the girls are,
the girls are played dolls
okay, and what else?
and someone's angry
Okay, why do you think mom's angry?
because the girls is never
Okay, next, picture 2.
the girls is
The girl is,
as close under the test and in the football.
okay, Sue put the clothes under the bed and other things are on the cupboard. Next, picture 3.
The girls are played the doll
And what else?
and the mom is opening the
The
cupboard.
mom opened.
The mom opened the cupboard.
Okay, and what did she found out when she opened the door?
She's angry.
Okay, that the things there are not arranged. Okay, it was disarranged. Right. So here, Lynn, I have here question. Lynn, what do you watch on TV? What do you watch on TV, Lynn? Lynn, what do you watch on TV? I watch. What do you watch on TV? Do you watch cartoons? I watch. What
I
movie?
watched many shows.
Okay, next here. Who watches TV with you, Lynn? Who watch with you?
I watch TV with my family.
Okay. Next. Where is the television in your house, Lynn? Where can we find the television in the house?
In the living room.
In the living room. Okay, next here. What do you have for dinner, Lynn?
Today I have a cow and rice.
Okay, wow. Now here, who's with you, Lynn, when you eat the dinner?
Where is the dinner?
I eat with.
This my parents.
Oh, okay. Now here, where do you have dinner?
I have dinner in living room too.
Okay. Good. Now here, what games do you play?
I play Roblox game.
And here, who do you play with at school?
In the school, I has many friends.
Okay, with many friends. Your classmates? All right. Next. Where do you play in the school?
In the playground or classroom.
Okay, next. Here, Lynn, I have here. Lynn, can you ask me question that's what, where, and who? Can you write it here below? Write question, what, where, and who. You ask me, okay? Make a question,
Okay.
Lynn. I want you to write it so you can think. Come on. Write question, what, where, and who. Whatever you ask to me.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pasta. What else? What else?
Where's the house?
Where's my house? It's in the Philippines.
Where's your baby?
Again, who?
Where's your baby?
My baby is JC Louise. It's a girl. Very good, Lynn, because you can ask questions using what, where, and who. Great work. Very good, very good. Okay, now, Lynn, I have here a question for you. Lynn, what's this?
This is a girl.
This is a girl. Now here, what color is it?
This purple.
Okay, look at the arrow.
This rice.
Look at the arrow. This one, the black one.
This black hair.
Okay, it's a black hair. Next here, what's on the bed, Lynn?
This the girl too.
Okay. Now here, what's in the pictures? Look at the
bed.
picture. It's in the picture. A girl. What's in the picture?
A flower.
A flower. What else?
A teddy bear.
Okay, teddy bear. Next.
And a butterfly.
All right, very good. Next here, Lynn. Look at the arrow. What's this?
This grass.
What's this?
This is grass.
Okay, it's a mat. Next here, what's the color?
It's pink and white.
All right. Okay, now here, Lynn, I want you to read and listen. Listen first.
35F. What, who, and where? Listen and draw.
Monsters! Monsters! I love monsters! My monster lamp, my monster rug, the monster on my bed, the monsters in my toy box and in the painting on my wall. Silly monsters, scary monsters, I love them all.
Okay, Lynn, please read.
Monster. Monster. I love monster. My monster lamp. My monster rug. My monster on my bed. The monster in my toy box and in the painting on my wall. Silly monster, scare monster. I love them all.
Okay, monsters, monsters. I love monsters. Okay. Now here, my monster lamb, my monster rug, the monster on the bed, the monsters in my toy box, in the painting on my wall, silly monsters, scary monsters. I love them all. Okay, now here, Lynn, what does Tony love?
Tony loves monsters.
Okay, Tony loves monsters. Does Tony have lots of monsters?
Yes, he's does.
Okay. All right. How many?
Seven.
Oh, 7. There's so many monsters. Now here, where are the monsters?
The monster in the toy box and
Yeah.
in the painting
On
the
the wall. Very good. So there are many monsters. So there are monsters in the toy box and also in the painting on the wall. Now here, Lynn, I will read to you something and you are going to draw. Okay, are you ready to draw?
Yes.
Okay, number 1, Lynn. Okay, number 1. The 2 monsters in the picture on the wall are yellow. Okay, Lynn, could you please draw? There are 2 monsters in the picture on the wall are yellow. Come on. Draw 2 monsters on the wall, color it yellow. Oh no, wait, Lynn. Just color, Lynn. No need, Lynn. No need to draw. Okay, just color only. 2 monsters in the picture. Can you see the picture? Look at the picture on the wall. Color it yellow. Look at the wall. The frame picture in the wall, color it yellow. Color the picture on the wall yellow. Okay, next, number 2. Tony's monster lamp is blue. Tony's monster lamp is blue. Tony's monster lamp is blue. All right. Got it? Okay, next. Number 3, the monster in this rug is purple. Monster in the rug is purple. Monster in the rug is purple. Okay, next. Next, number 3. The big monster on the bed is green. Big monster on the bed is green. Big monster on the bed is green. Okay, next. Number 5, Lynn. 2 of the monsters in the toy box are orange and pink. Orange and pink. Okay, so let's check, Lynn. Let's check your answer. So in here, there is a yellow monster on the wall. Blue monster in the lamp. Next, purple monster on the rug. Green monster on the bed. And 2 monsters, orange and pink in the toy box. Very good, Lynn. Perfectly answered. Great work, okay? So great work, Lynn, because you were able to understand the task that was asked to you, okay? So there you go, Lynn. That's the end of Unit 35. So we finished the Unit 35 on time. All right, so Lynn, that would be all for today. Goodbye for now, Lynn. I'll see you again next time, Lynn. Bye-bye. Bye.
That's you.
Wow, I like the hearts. Bye.